पाक तुर्क मारिफ इंटरनेशनल स्कूल एंड कॉलेज गुलिस्तान जौहर कैंपस के ज़ेर एहतमाम एक शानदार फेस्टिवल का इनेकाद किया गया। इस मौके पर प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर निम्रा ज़ीशान ने तकरीब की अहमियत बयान करते हुए कहा कि हमारी जद्दोजहद का मकसद तलबा को ड्राइंग, एनिमल, सेल्फ डिफेंस और मादरी ज़बान उर्दू से मुताल्लिक़ आगाही फराहम करना है और इन शोबाजात में महारत पैदा करना है। तकरीब से वाइस प्रिंसिपल मलिया समी और उर्दू मौलिमा रिफत फातिमा ने भी खिताब किया, जबकि मेहमानों को मुख्तलिफ स्टॉल्स का दौरा कराया गया। फेस्टिवल में शरीक मेहमानों ने स्कूल की शानदार काविश को सराहते हुए कहा कि इस तरह की मालूमाती और तख्लीकी सरगर्मियों का सिलसिला आइंदा भी जारी रहना चाहिए।
Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Nimra Zishan, Principal Pak Turk Maarif International Schools and Colleges, Gulistan-e-Johar Campus, Karachi. Today we are having an event named as Maarif Fest, which is basically showing our cultural and academic and extracurricular activities. It is basically a collaboration of parental body as well as students, and it is also representing the Turkish culture, Turkish and Pakistani culture as well. It is highlighting the theme of the Independence Day as well, and we are welcoming our parents to showcase our engagements. What we are offering over here, and everyone is welcomed over here. They can visit our campus, they can have a look of they can meet with our faculty, they can have a look with they can meet our students as well. The unique feature of Pak Turk Maarif International Schools and Colleges is that we are ensuring the global placement of our students, international universities. Specifically, our students are regularly and every year they are getting enrolled in the Turkish universities, and all of which is basically completely a free ship, we can say. They are getting scholarships and they are accommodating, catering each and every facility over there on behalf of our organization, and this is the unique feature which we are offering. One of the unique features of Turkish Maarif International Schools and Colleges is that we are offering Turkish language classes are here, which enables our students to have a strong command on the Turkish language, and on the basis of that they can get enrollment in Turkish universities. And this is basically a unique feature which is offering only by the Pak Turk Maarif International Schools and Colleges. One of the unique features which we are offering is that Cambridge Assessment English Examination. We are enabling the students to get this certification, which is basically equivalent to IELTS, and no other institution in the Pakistan is offering this Cambridge Assessment Examination of English, and this is a unique feature of our institute. Pak Turk Maarif International Schools and Colleges have a vision, a very strong vision, to become the leading institute of this country, where the people will be using their knowledge for the peace and tranquility of the humanity. This is the mission which we are working on, and we are trying to spread it in our community by our students. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Maliha Sami. I'm Vice Principal of K8 section, Pak Turk Maarif International School and Colleges, Gulistane Johor campus. And as you can see that we have arranged, our principal Dr. Nimra Zishan has arranged this Maarif Fest over here, where we are having different academic activities. And you can also see that our different academic activities, they are basically integrated with all the with our curriculum, because our curriculum is basically based on activities, and that's how we make sure that our students not only learn through hands-on experience, through different experiences, and but also they grow and they learn some personal skills as well. That's what we have showcased over here. And apart from that, we have also invited other entrepreneurial stalls as well. Our students are there with different ideas over here. They have set up their stalls. People are coming and they are going, and it's a kind of a carnival as well, where you can buy and buy the food, and you can enjoy the food. You can do different fun activities. There is a book. It is basically a carnival over here, where you can see we have put up different rides, and there is a popcorn section, cotton candy section. There are different food stalls. People are coming and buying different food. They are enjoying different food. And we also have a book vendor over here who has set up different books over there. And it's a kind of a multi-purpose program where people have brought their ideas and they are displaying their ideas as well. And even our teachers have displayed some of their innovative ideas along with our academic and curriculum activities. Thank you so much.
Merhaba, benim adım Elif. Pak Türk Maarif Okullarında Türkçe öğretmenliği yapıyorum.
She said she is Miss Elif. She teaches Turkish in Pak Turk Maarif School.
Türkiye Maarif Vakfı'nın pek çok ülkede okulları var. Pakistan'da da 10 farklı şehirde okullarımız bulunuyor. Pek çok kademede Türkçe öğretimi yapıyoruz.
There are so many campuses all over the world in Turkey, and she teaches everywhere in these schools, and she learns Turkish and she also teaches Turkish.
Her kademede Türkçe derslerimiz bulunuyor. Türkçe derslerinde sadece Türkçe konuşuyorum. Çünkü Türkçenin etkili anlaşılması için ve öğrencilerin dile maruz kalması bakımından sadece Türkçe konuşuyoruz. İngilizce materyaller kullanıyoruz. Kitaplarımız etkileşimli, akıllı tahtadan etkileşimli derslerde ders işliyoruz. Ve pek çok oyunlarla destekliyoruz.
She said we talk in Turkish in our classes because we have to improve our students' skills. We also talk in English, but sometimes if it's impossible or like if it's difficult for you, so they talk in English. Otherwise, they talk in Turkish to improve the skills of the students.
Teşekkür ederim.
Thank you so much.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम, मैं रिफ़त फ़ातिमा पाक तुर्क मारिफ में उर्दू ज़बान व अदब की तालीम देती हूँ। बुनियादी मकसद हमारा यहाँ पे अपने तालिब इल्मों को उर्दू ज़बान व अदब से मारिफ़ करवाना है कि वो जान सकें कि इस दौर में उर्दू ज़बान की क्या अहमियत है और वो वाकिफ़ हो सकें कि उन्हें किस तरह सही अंदाज से ज़बान व अदब की खिदमत करनी है और उसे सीखना है।
अब तक के लिए इतना ही। बाखबर रहने के लिए देखते रहिए जुर्म HD।